The goal of this is a matrix glitch. Hopefully using just 2 colors. We'll see what happens. 100% cotton t-shirt's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out till it's just damp. It is flipped inside out, and it is marked on both sides the width of a yardstick. And now we'll just do the glitch pattern. Okay, we'll mark it out going this direction. Alrighty. There we go. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to do every 1.5 inches. Still no scissors. But it's been over a week and they still haven't shown up. They have to be somewhere. Alright. Off to die. Okay, we're working on this one. I'm going to use Better Black and Electric Green. And this will be dye under ice. So these are just going to be put on randomly. Alright, we'll let that melt through. Alright, it's been sitting 3 or 4 days, so let's go ahead and rinse this out. Okay. I'll go drop this in the wash and we'll take a final look. I think it looks pretty good so far. Here we have the front and the back. I think it came out pretty good for a matrix style or matrix like look with the glyphs. Definitely works with using a glitch. Sorry. Odd that my mouth is glitching at the same time I'm saying it. Anyway, I don't have much to say about it. It's a little bit of darker green there, but overall, I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you think down below. Until next time, thanks for watching.